Assalamualaikum, dear students. How are you? I think all of you are well in grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. I am Mohammad Hiran Chaudhary, Associate Professor and Head of the Department, Statistics Department, Eden Mohila College, Dhaka. Welcome to On Behalf of Eden Mohila College online class. Our today's topic is moments, skewness and kurtosis, which is first year non-major course state NM 101 Introduction to Statistics. Earlier I have discussed central tendency, dispersion and moments. Today I shall discuss skewness. Skewness. What is skewness? Skewness means the lack of symmetry or asymmetry of a frequency distribution. Skewness means lack of symmetry or asymmetry of a frequency distribution. Skewness may be three types, such as positive skewness, negative skewness, and number 3, zero skewness or symmetric skewness. Or symmetric skewness. What is positive skewness? Positive skewness means mode, median, mean. If the right side of the figure is longer than left side, that is, if the bulk of the data is at the left and the right tail is longer, then the distribution is skewed to the right, and that type of skewness is known as positive skewness. If the data of the distribution are set up longer than left side is longer right side, then the distribution is skewed to the right side, and this type of skewness is called positive skewness. In positive skewness, we may write x bar is greater than median is greater than mode. In positive skewness, we can write x bar is greater than median is greater than mode. Negative skewness. If the where left side is longer than right side of the distribution, then the distribution is skewed left, and that type of skewness is called negative skewness. In this case, X bar median mode. If left side is longer than right side, then distribution is skewed negatively, and this type of skewness is called negative skewness. In such skewness, we can write this. We can write X bar less or equal to median less or equal to mode. That is, mode is greater than median is greater than. Zero skewness or symmetric skewness. Symmetric skewness if mean median mode of a frequency distribution is equal to each other, then the skewness of that distribution is called zero skewness. If mean median mode of the distribution are equal to each other, then the skewness of that distribution is called zero skewness. In that case we can write X bar median mode. The skewness, this is skewness. Skewness means lack of symmetry or asymmetry of a frequency distribution. There are three types of skewness: positive skewness, negative skewness, and symmetric or zero skewness. If the bulk of the data is at the left and the right tail is longer than the distribution is skewed right, and that type of skewness is called positive skewness. In positive skewness, mean is greater than median is greater than mode. Negative skewness, if the peak is toward the right and the left tail is longer, then the distribution is skewed left, and that type of skewness is called negative skewness. In such a case, mode is greater than median is greater than mean. Zero skewness, if mean median mode of a frequency distribution is equal to each other, then the skewness of that distribution is called zero skewness. In this case, mean median mode equal. Next, kurtosis. Kurtosis. What is kurtosis? Definition. Kurtosis is the degree of peakedness of a distribution, usually taken relative to normal distribution. Kurtosis is the degree of peakedness of a distribution, usually taken relative to a normal distribution. There are three types of kurtosis in a distribution: leptokurtic, platykurtic, number 3, mesokurtic. Leptokurtic, platykurtic, mesokurtic. The figure is This is leptocarpic. This is mesocarpic. This is platycarpic. What is leptocarpic? A carp having a higher peak than the normal carp, then this carp is called leptocarpic. A carp having a higher peak than the normal carp is called leptocarpic. A carp having a lower peak than the normal carp, it is called platycarpic. A carp having normal peak or the normal carp itself is called mesocarpic. A carp having a high peak than normal carp, then it is called leptocarpic. A carp having a low peak then a normal carp is called platycarpic. A carp having normal peak or the normal carp itself is called mesocarpic. The figure of the kurtosis is this. By the movements, we can usually measure skewness as beta 1. That is skewness beta 1 mu 3 square mu 2 cube. Kurtosis beta 2 equal to mu 4 by mu 2 square. This is the formula of skewness and kurtosis. Now we can show that beta 1 and beta 2 are independent of origin and scale. Beta 1 and beta 2 are independent of origin and scale. As usual, let x1 x2 xn be a set of an observation with mean Rx central moment. We know mu Rx equal to xi minus x bar r by 1 to n. Let us consider another new variable bi equal to x minus a by c. Then we get, after simplification, mu1 x equal to cr mu1 the after calculating we get, now we get r equal to 1 to 3 4 1 2 3 4 we get 2 3 4 mu 2 x square mu 2b mu 3x equal to c cube mu 3d mu 4x equal to c4 mu 4d. Put these values. We know beta 1 equal to mu 3 square mu 2 cube. Put these values mu 3 cube mu 3d whole square mu 2 c square mu 2d whole cube. That is C6 mu 3 square C6 mu 2 cube. That is mu 3 square mu 2 cube. Beta 1 x equal to beta 1 b. That is, we can say that beta 1 is independent of origin and scale. Again, beta 2 equal to mu 4 by mu 2 square. Put these values C4 mu 4d c square mu 2d whole square. Here beta 2d. From beta 2 x equal to beta 2d. That is, we can say that beta 2 is independent of origin and scale. Under usual notation, prove that beta 2 is equal to beta 1 plus 1 under usual notation. Let zi equal to xi minus x bar. সুতরাং summation xi minus x bar equal to 0. We know mu r equal to summation xi minus x bar r by n equal to summation zi r by n. R equal to 1 থেকে 1 to n. And mu1 summation zi by n equal to 0. Mu2 summation zi square by n. Mu3 summation zi cube by n. Mu4 summation zi 4 by n. Next, let us consider an expression. Let us consider an expression a zi square b zi plus c whole square is greater than 0, where a b c are unknown constant. Where a b c are unknown constant. Square zi 4 b square zi square c square 2ab cube zi square is greater than 0. A square summation zi4 b square zi square nc square 2ab zi cube 2bc zi 2ca zi square is equal to 0. Dividing both sides by n. Dividing both sides by n, we get mu 4 b square mu 2 c square mu cube 2bc mu 1 2ca mu 2. If we know mu1 equal to 0, mu1 equal to 0, so we can write mu 4 plus b square mu 2 2ab mu cube 2ca mu 2 is equal to 0. Put a equal to 1, b equal to minus mu 3 by mu 2, c equal to minus mu 2, we get mu 4 plus mu 3 square mu 2 square into mu 2 plus minus 2 mu 2 square 2 1 mu 3 by mu 2 mu 3 plus 2 minus mu 2 after calculating we get mu 3 square by mu 2 minus 2 square mu 4 by mu 2 square mu 2 cube plus mu 2 square mu 2 square. This is beta 2, this is beta 1 plus 1. So viewers, no more today. See you again another day, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.